Hey guys, DJchocoman123 here with another video. Today we are going to be looking at my coin collection. As you can see, I've redesigned my table here with minifigures. Here is my coin book, and also I got a new tripod. I hope you guys had a nice Christmas and a nice January, and just get into the video. So, first one we have, let's just, there we go. Can you guys see it? Okay, we got Benjamin Bunny, Tales of Peter Rabbit, Jeremy Fisher, Peter Rabbit, and Mrs. Tiggywinkles. Right, moving on, we have, let's just focus that. Come on, focus. Well, anyway, we have a Scout. There we go. We have Girl Guiding. And we have EU, Battle of Hastings, Dictionary, Wallace and Gromit, Paddington at Buckingham Palace, Paddington at Tower of London, the Snowman, Paddington at St Paul's Cathedral, and 1918 People's Act. Right, let's go to the final page. I have well, not the final page, there's one more page after this. So we have the Olympic coin where he's shooting. This is my favourite Olympic coin because it's got these things. I don't know what they're called, but anyway, we've got an archery. Moving on to the last page, we've got a 5p coin, Tower of Refuge, Rugby World Cup £2 coin, and last but not least, Brunel £2 coin. So let me take you through these pages. Beatrix Potter, my favourites page, Olympic page, and non-50p page. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to UKCoinhunter and Just Too Good. I really recommend you watch them. And that's it for today. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.